Hi guys, here's a quick open box review and quality test for the Servo Tester plus 2 microlinear servo GS-1502. Let's open the box, put everything on the table to see what's included. And first of all, here this Servo Tester is a little bit disappointed because the packaging is not actually made out of the solid plastic. It just feels like a plastic wrapper, very soft and flexible. It does serve the purpose, but I can see in terms of quality and reliability is not very good. It's about a 1.5 inch on each side. It's a little square. And here is those microlinear servo. It's a GS-1502, including 2. Let's weight it. It's supposed to be 1.5 gram, but this one is 2 gram because including the wire weight. Very consistent. So 2 of them is actually 4 gram. The micro size is really micro size. Here's US quarter. You can see it's even smaller than US quarter. It's about a 3/4 on the US quarter length. And also very tiny. The quality was pretty standard. You can see there is an arm in the middle, and you make sure you understand the input. The input have a 3 wire. It was S, positive, negative, and also the same thing at the output is actually control for 3 terminals. So this controller or tester can control up to 3 servos. First of all, you put those servo on, and then second of all, I'm gonna put those power on. I only use a positive negative power with 5 volts as the standard. And you can see first you need the neutral mode. The LED on the third one, that's actually sweeping mode, is automatically sweeping the arm back and forth. Let's go back to the neutral mode. The first LED is on. You can turn the knob to control the servo arm, the linear servo arm back and forth. Very cool, very convenient. You can see it's very consistent with both one. The stroke length is about two-way is about a 14 millimeters. So positive is 7 millimeter and negative is 7 millimeter. Then let's go back to the sweeping mode. I really like it. It's very convenient to confirm and testing the servo performance. Overall, it's servo and neat, good quality. The only thing I complain is just the cover size or quality. I only gave 4 stars for my rating because the quality of the container is not good. Thank you.